Today's topic is construction, unit number 11 of your book. As you know, construction as an English subject word means to build or to construct buildings. But as a mathematical word, it means to construct geometrical figures or to draw geometrical figures. Dear students, geometrical figures are constructed either by line segments or by angles, and it involves two methods. Number one method, line bisector method, because geometrical figures are also drawn or constructed by lines. Number two, acute angle triangle method, as geometrical figures are also constructed or drawn by the help of angles, as angles and lines are the basic elements of any geometrical figure. Now let me discuss line bisector method. By this method, we can divide a line segment into 2 raised to power n equal parts, where n belongs to positive natural number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, what do you mean by 2 raised to power n? 2 raised to power n means 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 5, so on. 2 raised to power 1 means 2, 2 raised to power 2 means 2 into 2, 2 raised to power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2, 2 raised to power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 raised to power 5 means 2 5 times, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 2, which is equal to 4, this is equal to 8, this is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, and this is equal to 32. So if we have to divide a line segment into 2 parts, 4 parts, 8 parts, 16 parts, 32 parts, and so on, that is under formula 2 raised to power n, we have to apply line bisector method. Let me take a line segment, like this line segment AB is 10 centimeters. With the help of compass, open your compass more than half of AB, draw a circle or arc upside, downside with center D, draw another arc upside, downside, intersecting each other at points. Let this is point L, this is point M. Join LM, we will get a line which divides AB into 2 parts. Name this point as M. Measure AM 5 centimeters. Measure BM or MB 5 centimeters. Now we have divided line segment AB 10 centimeter long into 2 parts without actual division, without any measurement, without using measuring instrument like scale, etc. Let me take another line segment. Name this line segment like CD. Let it is 16 centimeters or it is 12 centimeters? Let me try to divide this into 4 parts, that is 2 raised to power 3, 2 into 2 into 2, or 2 raised to power 2, that is 4 parts, 2 2s are 4. Take your compass with center C, mark an arc upwards, similarly downwards. Now with the same distance, with center D, mark 2 more arcs, both intersecting at any point, say L2, L3, like this. Join L2, L3. By this, the line segment CD is divided into 2 parts, but we have to divide it into 4 parts. Now with center C and more than half distance of CR, mark an arc upwards, downwards, with center R, mark another arc upwards, and then downwards. 2 arcs are intersecting. Note the intersecting point of both the arcs. Join the intersecting point. You will get your line segment CR is divided into 2 parts. Now again, with center R, with the same process, draw one more arc upwards and one more downwards. With center D, draw an arc intersecting the first arc upwards. Similarly, at the same distance, draw another arc downwards. Both arcs are intersecting. Note the pointers. Let this point is X, this is Y. Joining X and Y, you will get a line segment which divides CD line into 2 more parts. In this way, line segment CD is divided into first part, second part, third part, fourth part. Measure the parts. 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters. In this way, line CD is divided into 4 equal parts. Similarly, we can divide line segments of lengths as per given into 8 parts, 16 parts, 32 parts, or 2 raised to power 6, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 64. So we can divide any line segment into 64 parts. Here you have noted that we can divide line segments into 2 parts, into 4 parts, into 8 parts, into 16 equal parts, 32 equal parts, 64 equal parts, or 128 equal parts. by this method. So we cannot divide. It means we cannot divide a line segment into three parts: 5, 6, 7, इनके बीच में 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, फिर यहाँ 16 से 17, 18 अप टू 31, फिर 65 से up to 127. So we cannot divide line segments into equal parts, into 3 equal parts, into 5 equal parts, into 6 equal parts, 7 equal parts, 9 equal parts, 10 equal parts, 11 equal parts, 12 equal parts, 13, 14, 15, so on. By this method, by line bisector method, because these numbers 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 are not belonging to 2n square. And for such parts, such equal parts, for 3 equal parts, 5 equal parts, 7, 6 and so on equal parts, we have to apply acute angle triangle method. Now let me overcome to acute angle triangle method.